So the sales process, you get that phone call, and here's the thing, you can use phone scripts for this, so that way you can do that. So when the phone first rings, first thing is always answer the phone. If you're not answering the phone, that's a problem. You got to answer the freaking phone. Answer the phone no matter what. And I know it gets hard because there's a lot of times that it just takes time, right? I did a slide in there that if you have, if it takes you 5 minutes per phone call, and you do like 75, it's like 250 minutes, which is ended up being like 4 hours of straight being on the phone. So I get that being on the phone is a hard thing to do. So first thing is answer it with your name and what you do, right? Hello, this is Jason Guyman with ChristmasLights.io. How may I assist you today, right? Or may I ask who I'm speaking with today? And she's going to say, my name is blah, blah, blah. And I'm going to say, awesome. How can I help you today? And she's going to say, I want some Christmas lights and blah, 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 blah. And so you can ask a little bit here, or it depends on how fast you want to get off the phone. And you can say, is there a special occasion, or is there someone coming over, or is it just for you? Or